Making Money Online Roadmap. Title: Roadmap to Making Money Online. Introduction. Making money online has become a popular endeavor, offering flexibility and various opportunities for individuals to earn income from the comfort of their homes. This roadmap provides a concise guide to help you navigate the online landscape and maximize your earning potential. Here are the key steps to get started and succeed in making money online. 1. Identify your niche. Begin by discovering your passion, skills, and interests. Research different online niches and identify one that aligns with your expertise and offers potential for profitability. Consider areas such as e-commerce, freelancing, affiliate marketing, content creation, or online tutoring. Choose a niche that you enjoy and have knowledge or experience in. 2. Set clear goals. Establish realistic and measurable goals to guide your online money-making journey. Determine how much income you want to generate and set milestones to track your progress. Having clear goals will help you stay focused and motivated throughout the process. 3. Build an online presence. Create a professional online presence to showcase your skills and attract potential clients or customers. Start by setting up a website or a blog to establish your brand. Optimize your online presence by using search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to improve visibility. Utilize social media platforms to connect with your target audience and promote your products or services. 4. Monetize your skills. Explore different ways to monetize your skills or expertise. If you're a writer, consider freelance writing, blogging, or self-publishing. For creative individuals, platforms like Etsy can be utilized to sell handmade products. Explore options like online tutoring or consulting if you have specialized knowledge. Additionally, consider affiliate marketing to earn commissions by promoting products or services. 5. Develop a marketing strategy. Craft an effective marketing strategy to reach your target audience and drive traffic to your online platform. Utilize content marketing by creating valuable and engaging content that showcases your expertise. Leverage social media marketing to expand your reach and interact with potential customers. Consider paid advertising options like Google Ads or Facebook ads to increase visibility and conversions. 6. Build relationships and network. Networking plays a crucial role in the online world. Engage with like-minded individuals, industry influencers, and potential clients through forums, social media groups, or professional networks. Build genuine relationships, collaborate on projects, and leverage these connections to expand your opportunities. 7. Continuously learn and adapt. The online landscape is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay updated with the latest trends and techniques. Invest time in learning new skills, taking online courses, or attending webinars to enhance your knowledge. Be open to adapting your strategies based on market changes and customer feedback. 8. Monitor finances and scale. Keep track of your online income and expenses to maintain financial stability. Use accounting software or tools to manage your finances effectively. As your online business grows, consider scaling your operations by outsourcing tasks, expanding your product or service offerings, or exploring new revenue streams. 9. Prioritize customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is vital for building a sustainable online business. Focus on providing exceptional customer service and delivering high-quality products or services. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, address any concerns, and strive to exceed their expectations. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth recommendations can significantly impact your online reputation and attract more customers. 10. Optimize for search engines. Implement search engine optimization (SEO) strategies to improve your website's visibility on search engine result pages. Conduct keyword research and optimize your website content, meta tags, headings, and URLs. Build high-quality backlinks from reputable websites to increase your website's authority. Regularly monitor and analyze your website's performance using analytics tools to identify areas for improvement. 11. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of online income can be risky. Explore opportunities to diversify your income streams by offering additional products or services. Consider creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or software. Explore partnerships or joint ventures to expand your reach and revenue potential. Diversifying your income streams can provide stability and protection against fluctuations in a specific market or industry. 12. Leverage automation and tools. Take advantage of automation tools and software to streamline your online business operations. Use email marketing tools to automate email campaigns, customer segmentation, and follow-ups. Utilize project management software to organize and prioritize tasks. Consider chatbots or AI-powered customer support tools to handle customer inquiries efficiently. Automation can save time and resources, allowing you to focus on more critical aspects of your business. 13. Protect your online business. Online security is paramount to safeguard your business and customer data. Implement security measures such as SSL certificates, secure payment gateways, and strong passwords. Regularly update your website software and plugins to patch security vulnerabilities. Back up your data regularly to prevent loss in the event of a cyber attack or system failure. Stay informed about cybersecurity best practices and educate yourself on potential risks. 14. Analyze and optimize. Regularly analyze your online business performance and make data-driven decisions to optimize your strategies. Monitor key metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, customer acquisition costs, and return on investment, ROI. Utilize analytics tools to gain insights into customer behavior, preferences, and demographics. Based on the data, make informed adjustments to your marketing campaigns, product offerings, or pricing strategies. 15. Stay persistent and resilient. Building a successful online business takes time and perseverance. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt along the way. Stay persistent and maintain a resilient mindset. Embrace failures as learning opportunities and adapt your strategies accordingly. Surround yourself with a supportive network of peers or mentors who can offer guidance and encouragement during difficult times. Conclusion. The roadmap outlined above provides a comprehensive guide to help you make money online. It emphasizes the importance of finding your niche, setting clear goals, building an online presence, and continuously learning and adapting. Prioritizing customer satisfaction, optimizing for search engines, diversifying income streams, leveraging automation and tools, protecting your online business, and analyzing and optimizing performance are all crucial elements for success. Remember, success in the online world requires dedication, hard work, and a commitment to providing value to your audience. With perseverance and a strategic approach, you can build a thriving online business and achieve your financial goals. Making money online requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn. By following this roadmap, you can establish a successful online business or generate additional income streams. Remember to stay persistent, adapt to changes, and provide value to your audience. Embrace the opportunities that the online world offers, and you can achieve financial success from the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching.